Okay, so just another example to illustrate. I mean, the last example we looked at was probably a little bit simple. So another example to look at what happens when we're simplifying surds with addition and subtraction. We still, as always, we still look for square numbers that go into our surds. So as I move myself along the problem, I've got the square root of 48. What's the largest square number I can think of that goes into 48? 12 is not a square number. 24 is not a square number.
Is there not one?
16? Yeah, good, excellent. 16. How many times does 16 go into 48? 3 times, very good. So that's 4 times the square root of 16 times 3. Okay, now there's no square number that goes into 3, so I'm just stuck with 5 root 3 over there. There's no square number that goes into 2, so I'm just stuck with 5 root 2 over there. What's the biggest square number that goes into 72?
No.
Is there a bigger one?
Probably.
36, excellent, very good. 36 goes into 72 2 times. Okay. Once I've expressed everything under the radicals in terms of the biggest square number that can go into it, I then split up the surds. So, well, okay, so I split up the root 16 times 3 into root 16 times root 3. Well, because I can simplify root 16. I can't simplify root 3, but I can simplify root 16, so I want to get that out. So root 16 is 4. So that says 4 times 4, 16. So that's 16 root 3 plus 5 root 3 minus 5 root 2 plus over here, I've got root 36 is 6. So 7 times 6 is 42. That's plus 42 root 2. Now, all the surds that are like, I can add. So the root 3 and the root 3 here tell me that these two are like terms, so I can add them. 16 root 3 plus 5 root 3 is 21 root 3. Over here I've got negative 5 root 2 plus 42 root 2. Well, 42 take away 5 is 37. That's plus 37 root 2. I can't do any more with that. I can't add root 3s and root 2s. So that's it. That's as far as I can simplify this problem. Okay, so the last example we looked at, they were all the same surd and we could add them all together. In this example, because they're different surds, there's a root 3 there and a root 2, we can't simplify any further. So this problem.
Why did you take 7 to root 3, so why can't you put?
Because I had 16 root 3s here and 5 root 3s here. So I've got 16 here and 5 there. Altogether I've got 21. That's what I wrote, 21 root 3.
Why are you adding the numbers?
It's like an 8. It's like 16 and 8.
Yeah, that's exactly right. So think about the part in under the surd. Think about it as algebraically, it acts like a pronumeral. So it's like 16a plus 5a. Well, that's 21a. It's not 21a squared or anything like that. Okay. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Great, fantastic.